we see but we don't judge.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today once again we're doing hair, and I thought it would be nice if I took you through my process. This is Nimoh. We also had Cindy. She came to help us out. She wanted her roots dyed brown because she already had blonde in her ends. It wasn't really detailed in the recording, but yeah, it was a really nice session. We had fun, really enjoyed ourselves. I used the Subaru hair dyes, the Subaru box dye, I don't know what to call it. Yeah, the white shade. And it was helping me part my hair because I really wanted some clean parts, because I wanted like skunk stripes on both sides of my head, like the left and the right. And I bought two just in case one ingetosha. So yeah, she was parting my hair. And I think it's important to know before you like dye or you bleach your hair, make sure your hair wasn't like freshly washed, because dye really strips your hair of nutrients. So if your hair is super clean, itakausha nywele yako. Let me just tell you the truth, itakausha your hair. Niko na parts nne hizi hapa na huku nyuma. I was trying to read the instructions, but nah. Yeah, but please read your instructions. Please read your instructions. For each dye comes with, I guess, a different set of instructions, but the technique is probably the same. Yeah, so that's bleach. And please have a mask, because the smells can be really pungent. Please have a mask on if you're like sensitive to smells and all, or chemicals. Yeah, also make sure you have gloves while you're doing this process. Don't do it bare hand. Yeah, your hands are gonna get burnt. So just put in the bleach and the, what's this, hydrogen peroxide. Yeah, and hydrogen peroxide, then mix them. Please follow the instructions, please. I'm not really an expert, but I have done this a number of times before, and I'm really confident in my skills at the moment. So please make sure your hair is not as clean, you know. Mix the bleach and the hydrogen peroxide, yeah, together. Then mix until you get like a pasty consistency. That will be easier for your hair to, you know, soak in the dye. Don't apply too much, but also don't be stingy with it. You know, like make sure, what's the word, saturate your hair with the paste. Okay, another tip I'd recommend, start from the ends of your hair, especially if you have longer hair. Start from the ends and work your way up to the top. As you work your way up to the top, leave like an inch of hair from, you know, where you are to the scalp, because if you dye it all at once, the part of the hair that is closest to the scalp will bleach faster than the rest of the head, and you'll end up with like brighter roots as compared to your ends. It's not the best look, but come on, if that's what you're going for, by all means. But you see, there's like an inch of hair left from the scalp. I'm going to come back and apply it later because it reacts like faster, so it's better if you start from the ends and work your way up to the top later. Heat from the scalp accelerates the reaction between the dye, accelerates the reaction period. Once you see the ends are starting to lift or they're taking color really well, you can go into the roots now and you'll get like somewhat of an even color throughout the strands of the hair. Outcome came out, it really came out better than I expected because I haven't done a skunk stripe before. I was really scared, but at the end of the day I really didn't care if my hair fell off, but it came out great. It came out so beautifully, and yeah, I love the results. So take time to admire my hair as I am admiring it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back. We are at 53 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you for all 53 of you. Thank you for all the love. Thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to like this video if if you liked it. Like the video. You can share it with a friend who is interested in cool stuff like this. Don't forget to comment. If you have any questions, ask in the comments down below. Subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.